Introducing the Mobile Science Lab, where education meets innovation, sparking curiosity in every corner. In underserved communities, access to cutting-edge scientific resources is often out of reach. Our Mobile Science Lab changes that, bringing the excitement of discovery directly to students. Step inside and explore a state-of-the-art laboratory featuring more than 100 interactive science exhibits and a wide display for captivating educational videos. Students can immerse themselves in hands-on experiments that make science come alive. Designed for versatility, the lab covers a wide spectrum of scientific disciplines, from biology and chemistry to physics, mathematics, and environmental science, making complex concepts accessible and engaging. Fully equipped with 2 generators for reliable power, a foldable staircase, a modern restroom, emergency exit, remotely operated surveillance systems, a projector, and air conditioning, our Mobile Science Lab ensures a secure, comfortable, and controlled learning environment. We're bringing world-class science education to every community, ensuring every student has the chance to explore, learn, and grow. Discover how we're transforming science education. Visit our website and contact Oxygen to Innovation today.